Thank you for joining to watch this video on how to make marketing videos using Canva for free. This quick guide is not to help you master all the features of Canva, but will help you make a perfect marketing video for your business for free. To begin with, once you have logged in Canva, you see these options listed. Choose video. Once you've chosen video, it gives you all these different sizes of video. Facebook video, mobile video, video collage, YouTube video, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest. Select which size video you want. As you're aware, each social media has different size of the videos. Even in Facebook story and Facebook post, the video sizes are different. So choose the right video. If you are a paid customer of Canva, Canva will allow you to resize. Which means if you're making a Facebook video, then by using the option resize, you can convert it into a Pinterest video. But that's not a free tool. So choose if you're not paying, try and choose the right size video. So I'm going to choose this one video, a video that can be used in websites or in YouTube, the rectangular sized video. Now, once you've chosen the size, what's next? Here, you see this column with varieties of options. You are going to go through all these options one by one. So let's begin with what is a template. Click a template. So you see there's varieties of designs of videos that Canva has listed. Many of them are free, some of them are not free. So if you want to make a birthday video, educational video, review videos, real estate video, these are all pre-formed, designed by experts. Even you can try, if you're a baker, try writing baker, and it gives you a baker themed one. It's a cooking themed one, basically. Or a florist, you type florist, it gives you a florist themed one. So I'm going to use a happy birthday themed one for now. See, in happy birthday, there are like 8 different slides it has displayed, and this is free. See, it says it's free. I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to click this. And if I want to add more pages here, I click this plus and it let me add another slide. Then let me add another slide. So I've selected 3 slides now for the video that I want to make. So this is how you choose templates. So once you are happy, so the advantage of template is you can use exactly as it is or slightly modify it. If you don't want, you can delete this. And if you go here and change just the name, happy birthday. So you can type and change the letters, and then your video is ready. It's as simple as this. So choose the right template, change the writing, and your video is ready. So that's first, after template. Now, let's explore the next option, which is elements. You see, this one, this is an element. This design that's used is an element. This design, this is, where do we find this? And this shape that's used, okay? So if you go to the elements, see, it says lines and shapes. If you click one of the shape, it appears like this. Then you can change the color of the shape. Sorry. And you can increase the size. You can decrease the size, and then you can position wherever you want. So, or if you don't want, you can just choose it and delete it. Not only just shapes, it has lots of things, graphics, charts. You can even have bar charts like this. Okay, so charts. And there are animated as well. So let me say fireworks. It will come as an animated one as well. See, fireworks theme. That's an animated one. So you can create varieties of them from elements. So the one important thing in element is a photo frame. See this frame that is used, that can be selected by clicking here, picture frame, and there are varieties of frames that you can use. If you use this frame, and then if I want to select a photo, look, I can make like this. So that's a element. So, and even if you want to say thank you, you try thank you there, that will be quite a lot of animated thank you like this. Lots of things. So try type here whatever you want and it will list what's available. So that completes elements. The next thing to explore is how do we change this photo here? Or how do we change videos? How do we use videos or photos? You see in the column, there is a photo section. If you click, Canva lists up varieties of free photos. And you can just, by clicking here, you can choose free and apply filters to see only the free. Because if you're not a paid customer, don't choose the paid ones. And then all you need to do is just click it, slowly drag it, and slip it into this one. And then you can adjust which part you want to cover. So this is how you choose photos. Or if you want to choose flowers, type flowers, all flower photos are, you can just select it like this. If you want the background to be a photo, then just flip and see, and slowly, just needs a bit of a practice to, and then you can adjust it, how to change the background. If it comes like this, then just delete it and try again. Yeah. So varieties of things could be done. So this is photos. Similarly, Canva has varieties of videos to share as well. So that's also listed here, videos. If you don't find these options here, go to more and it will be the videos and photos will be here and you have to choose it to make it appear on the column. So in the videos, I want to choose stars videos of stars. There are varieties of them. And again, use the filter to choose the free one. If you're not a paid customer, then that's it. You can choose varieties for the back and the front. So videos are applying. Look. So here, beautiful, very high quality, high definition videos are available for you to choose for your business. Now, once you have selected which photo, which video, and where you want to position it, the next important thing is the length of the videos. How do you know how long this video is for? Now you see the scissors here. This says 20 seconds, this video. Usually marketing videos is preferred to be maximum 2 minutes, a total video length. Each slide, make sure it does not exceed 4 to 6 seconds because the transition, the changing slides will keep the attention of your customers. Otherwise people lose attention and they will easily skip your video. So instead try making each slide 4 to 6 seconds. And how do you do that? Now this one is 20, so go there. You see this blue line, you bring it here, then again here. Now this is 5.8 and click done. So now similarly here I click, this is 10 seconds. I'm gonna change so that cut short. So this slide is now 4.2 or totally there are 2 videos here. So similarly, the next one you want the video here is already 5.9 seconds, which is good. So this sums up the photos and videos that's available in Canva. So if you go to more, you see pixels and this Pixabay. It's also a collection of lots of free photos, which you can use. There is also a site called Unsplash, from where you can download and upload into the Canva. Unsplash has millions of free, very high quality videos for you to use. After select. So what if you have your own video and photos in your mobile that you have that you got of your business? Then it's using this upload option, you should be able to upload your own photos and videos to be used in the video. Transfer the videos and photos to your computer first, store it in your computer, and then you can easily upload to use it. The next feature to explore is how to change this writing. So you select this. You see, you click this on the top. Varieties of fonts will appear. How you want your writing to be. You choose different fonts, and it's varieties of them available. So in the font, if you click on here, it will say handwriting type of fonts. And then if you close, and then corporate type of fonts. Or you click and say display type of fonts. So there are varieties of them. See, even if you're, for example, it could be suitable for an occasion like Halloween. If you have a Halloween, like, you know, there is a font called Jeepers. If you try it, it looks like a spooky one, see? So there are varieties of things that you can choose in a font. And then what if you want to increase or decrease the size? You select, and you know, you see this minus and plus helps you increase and decrease. Or you can even do it by moving the sides like this. If you want to change the position, just pull it up. And then you can change, this is color. There are varieties of colors you can choose from. If you click the plus, there are varieties of colors here that you can use. This is my brand color. So you can also set up your brand color to be used. And the variety, the color codes that you see, how many colors. So this is called color code. If you have a color that you want to know, there is always a color code for each color. If you type the code, it will automatically pick up the color. Let it be white. And then we select it, and we can change it into bold sans. Then you see it can be made bold. Some of them, let's choose a different font. It can be made a bold, or can be made it select italics or underline. Okay. Then this one is alignment, left, middle, or right alignment. This one is bulleting. No bulleting. So this one is spacing, you know, the letter spacing, you want them, or you want the line spacing. So this can be done. Then this one is position. Where do you want to position it? Top, middle, bottom, center, right, left. So, or you can simply pull it. So, and then the next one to explore is effects. You can make shadows, make splice, glitch. You can make it as a curve. Varieties of options here. Now the next thing is there's something called text. Text is like, you know, if you want to add additional boxes like this, there is a heading, subheading, and you click this, it will give you a heading type. So you can click and similarly, you can also use a preformed type of things. You can reduce it, beach place like this. And there is also quite a lot of preformed text formats there, which if you like, can select for your video. Then the last one that now we are going to explain is this background video that I've used. There is also there's an option called background. Then the last one that now we are going to explain is this background video that I've used. There is also there's an option called background, which if you click, there's plenty of background to choose from. You can choose, you know, plenty of backgrounds. So Canva has varieties of features and many of them are free. All you need to do is have the content, what you want to say, what message you want to say in the video, and what video and photos you want to have. If you have a rough idea, then has plenty of things that you can choose, combine, and form a lovely video. Now, this one and this one, I'm going to keep it like this. Now, there are also extra features like emojis here. And if you go to more, there are emojis, Pixabay, Pixels are all collections of free photos to use. Now, I think that sums up how you form your video, you design your video. Once you've finished, the last thing to do is to select the music for your video. See the audio option here. Once you click, it gives a variety of options of music. So choose a right music that you like, and music should suit the theme of your video, and then that music will appear here. And so hushed trap, and some of the music are paid ones, as you see, pro, and some of them are free. So to select, choose the free ones and apply filters. So choose the free video, and so it says be free. Again, click the video audio, sorry, and it says what's the on the top. See, you can mute it, or you can reduce the voice and music of your video as well here, adjusting it. Once you've chosen this, then you're happy with the video, then you can, this button here on the top is a preview. If you click this, and if you're happy with the video, then all you need to do is go here, download video. Always make sure you select the MP4 high quality video and then give download. And see, your video starts downloading. Once it's finished downloading, this will get saved in your computer downloads, which if you type downloads here, you will have a list of downloads here, and in this the video will appear there, and from there you can use that video in various social media and in your website. See, it says it's still downloading, and very soon this will complete. See, once the video is complete, it says you saved your design, your
about to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know, about to